Uptown Swing of the one, Charleston. It's Hannah.
And Rice.
The sum of the sums. All right, we reviewed the Charleston basic, and you guys just skip up, roll back, and then we did kickaways.
They look like this.
Two. Basic.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo!
Ha.
Talked about getting a really nice stretch when we're out there in the giveaways.
That's right. Getting this connection.
Woo!
Not being stored up inside, not know what we're doing. We don't like this. Coming back in. And what else did we do?
We also did the around the world.
We did. Like this. Ha.
Get ready for our giveaway.
We'll do one.
And kick and kick and